Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to reset Sony MHC V13 party speaker. First is to power off this speaker. Turn off the speaker by pressing the power button. Next, press and hold the reset button. Locate the reset button on the speaker. It's typically found on the rear panel or inside the battery compartment. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the speaker powers back on or resets. Third is, wait for the reset process. The speaker will return into its default factory settings. This may include clearing any paired Bluetooth devices or setting you've configured. Lastly is to reconfigure the speaker. Once reset, you may need to pair your device again through Bluetooth or adjust any settings, such as sound modes, using the speaker's controls. And that's basically it.